So we're back working on our S model, and we're going to go over how you put this the airbag back in. We had to drill it out. We're going to go over how you would put it back in, and then with our new seat cover, the biggest thing why it had to come out is this sleeve here slides through it, and you couldn't get it off without removing it because it's held down here with a rivet, and then up here it sits up in the thing. So we've done that. We've removed it. We've removed the outer shell of the seat that we were replacing. So once you got it up in there, there was a, you can hook the electric back up. Just press it up in there and push the clip in. And of course you wanted to make sure that that battery was disconnected. Make sure we reattach this. Put a rivet in there. Perfect. It's been reattached. And we're good to go with putting the remainder back. Alright, so now back we have moved the seat cover over and worked it over the top of the seat, worked it all around. We put the airbag back on. We've got this connection, and we've got 4 wires. There's one at the very bottom of the seat, and there's 3, well, it's 2 wires and 1 air line that comes in through this hole here, right behind there. And so now let's go ahead and make sure we connect those wires up. This one comes back over here to the whole air system. This purple wire here, or air line, connects to the back of this. Just push and snap into place. And then this, we've got a blue connector down here. We'll hook it up to the blue connection. Snap that into place, and then in the bottom we have this black connection that connects to the wire that came from the bottom of the seat. We've got everything all connected back up, except for that. Oh. This goes to the top headrest. So that all just sits in like that. Then we're gonna have to take these top straps, press them up in there. They're kind of a plastic clip that clips around the metal there. And then take all these. They have little slits in them. All good and snug. Now last, for the seat, we gotta push some, so we've worked it up. Everything all strapped and tight there. Then you can go ahead and put the headrest pieces back in. And what we're lining up to is there's a hole here in the headrest. And now snapped into place. Make sure this cap is on. So you take the headrest that we had to remove by reaching up in here and pressing a clip to remove, and you push them down, and then down here there's a little it's part of the seat, is a hole that it goes into, and so you snap it down in there, and then you take the headrest itself, feed the wire down, feed it into there, hook it back up to the electrical connector, and then with that in place, then you'll want to put your just a clip that goes on here to hold it there, and that's so you can't over raise it. And then with that all done, you can take this, and the big thing is it's got these clips up the top on both sides that you need to bring them up from the bottom and push it all the way up, and then you've got two number 25 screws, or they're T25s or T20s, I mean. Yeah. So you just tighten the two T20 screws up, and then everything is back into place and everything works. And then that's the way you replaced the front seat cover and a few other pieces inside here. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can become the mechanic.